Dear students, in this video of Microsoft PowerPoint, today we will learn how the animation will be applied on the text and object. Children, you can see in this slide I have written here school name Prakash Public School Karnal, and in this box Prakash Public School Karnal adjoining Sector 6 and Vikas Nagar. Children, now we will learn that how the animation will be applied on the text. You know it very well. Animation tab is present here on the menu box, menu tab, here animation tab. Okay, so first of all you have to select the text on which you want to apply the command. Okay, so we will select this text like this by pressing the left mouse button and drag it. Click on the animation, then custom animation option is available here. Click on the custom animation command. As and when you will press on this button or option, here one dialog box will open. Add effect option will be here. Click on this arrow, drop down arrow. Now entrance. These different types of design of animations are available. You can select one of the most beautiful design which you want. Click on I will click on wheel like this. Okay, so wheel animation applied on this school name, and now I will select this text. Again custom animation, then add effect. Click on this drop down arrow, then entrance, and like this. Okay, now come to the next slide by clicking on the slide and outline preview. Here children, if you want to apply the animation on different line, each and every line, if you want to change the animation you can do it. Okay, these text, on these text like Department of PPSK, Department of Prakash Public School Karnal, different departments are here. I will select each and every department separately and apply the animation command like this. You can watch here. Select it, Department of PPSK, then add effect, entrance, like this. Okay, now children, one more command is here. Select it, add effect, entrance. Suppose I am repeating it, wheel animation again, and you can set the different commands here. Start means start, spokes, speed. Start means if you want to animate this text automatically or on the mouse click, you can click here on click or आफ्टर और प्रीवियस. आफ्टर और प्रीवियस मीन्स जब पहले वाला टेक्स्ट एनिमेट हो जाता है कम्प्लीटली, उसके बाद ये टेक्स्ट ऑटोमेटिकली एनिमेट हो या आपके माउस क्लिक करने पे एनिमेट हो, इसके लिए यहाँ पर ऑन क्लिक का ऑप्शन है. नेक्स्ट इज स्पोक्स. व्हील्स में जो स्पोक्स होते हैं वो कितने नंबर्स के स्पोक्स होने चाहिए, 4 नंबर, 3 नंबर, 8 स्पोक्स, जितने भी आपको चाहिए आप उतने स्पोक्स ले सकते हैं. सपोज मैंने यहाँ 8 सेलेक्ट किया तो यहाँ 8 स्पोक्स में ये व्हील मूव होगा. ओके, नाउ आई विल सेलेक्ट अनदर लाइन like this, 8 spokes. सपोज इसको मैं 4 स्पोक्स रहने देती हूँ तो ये 4 स्पोक्स में व्हील जो है वो मूव होगा. ओके, लाइक दिस आई विल अप्लाई एनिमेशन. Okay children, this is animation command. Okay,